This is Amun Asha Renew. I want to speak about the void. Whenever we are dealing with chaos, whether that chaos manifests internally or externally, what is occurring is the contrast of energies are creating a portal of metamorphosis. We need chaos to cause change. Most of the time, chaos comes out very untamed. This is its nature. So when we are striving to tame or compress and alter the chaos so that it does not destroy, it actually builds, which will be opposite of its nature. This process occurs in what we call the void. The void can also be termed the Gnosis, the state of no thought, the blackened consciousness. From this state, we are told this is where the yogis operate, the ascended masters, those who are masters of the various states of consciousness. When you are able to balance the opposites within the void, you are then able to produce the foundations of what we call magic. In order to make anything magical or supernatural occur, this takes the balancing or the taming of chaotic forces. As stated earlier, we need chaos to cause change. Chaos, its nature, normally destroys, like a lightning bolt. Whatever it strikes will be destroyed or altered in some way. This lightning bolt can be a metaphor for a sudden manifestation or change in your consciousness, which causes you to alter your path, to open up doorways that you did not see before because you had a sudden rush of chemical energies that are released into the body when you are in this state of gnosis. Another way of putting this is, depending on which brainwave state you are in, your body secretes certain chemicals. This is what is occurring on the physical level within the body. This is what allows us to enter into these various states of consciousness. As we know, the pineal gland secretes DMT. This is secreted when we dream. So essentially, dreaming is chemical because the pineal gland is active. So, in this state of gnosis or chaos, we also have chemicals being secreted into the bloodstream. And these chemicals help initiate this metamorphosis that the chaos wants to naturally destroy, but we, with our consciousness, are able to alter that natural occurrence and create something that is deemed a miracle or miraculous. Anything that is a miracle or deemed miraculous is someone utilizing something in a way that it was not meant to be used. If you are able to use something in a different way, essentially it's opposite. To convert poison into an elixir, you then are able to alter your consciousness instead of causing your death. In that particular example, where the poison would normally have killed you, it would instead create a mild or major psychedelic experience, depending on the potency. So, this mixing of contrast, this biochemical alteration within the body helps us to create this metamorphosis mentally, physically, and then spiritually, because it then opens up new doors or new psychic abilities or new miracles. As everything spiritual is also scientific and mathematical. This is why we can explain these things in various ways, although we are ultimately getting at the same point of altering your states of consciousness and causing a physical change within the body. Lastly, promoting a spiritual change or a long term change, which allows you to alter your path or the portal in which is opened within the void. So, with this, I bear peace.